15 held over the weekend brought Power Minister Piyush Goyal, Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu, Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar and Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari on the same platform. The ministers laid out the roadmap for their respective sectors. So Piyush Goyal asserting that the DISCOM debt issue would be addressed very shortly and that DISCOMs will actually be able to pare down their losses to zero in 3 years. Nitin Gadkari says he wants to build roads at the rate of 30 kilometers a day and will deliver on that promise by March 2016. Manohar Parrikar, who asserted that while there have been delays, the new defence procurement policy will be a reality in 2015 itself. So DPP 2015 will remain 2015. All of them sharing their game plan exclusively with CNBC TV 18. Take a look.
This time around, what we prepared in consultation with all the states is a program where we'll help them, we'll handhold them to bring down their losses in the next 3 years to zero, their current losses. We'll address the resolution of the past losses once and for all with a longer period of time through the state government support. And we will support from the Government of India to improve efficiency of these companies.
Getting FDI and Make in India, the timing is not necessarily correlated. We have started the process. Money will flow in as it is required to flow in. Because when you set up a unit, that time the issue of actual fund transfer comes into picture. Expression of interest for transfer of funds or investment does not mean investment comes tomorrow.
Sure.
There has to be actual groundwork for which we are working deeply with industry. We have done all the exercise and I hope it is DPP 2015. So before December month, that is in November, it will be most probably in November end or maybe December first, second week. I do not agree that bureaucracy is a problem. My firm belief is bureaucracy is like a water in a glass or a bottle. You don't know how much this is filled and how much this is empty. Because it doesn't have color, it doesn't have odor, it doesn't have taste. The bureaucracy takes color, taste, odor of the executives, the politicians who are governing the country. You add sharbat to it, you get a sharbat. You add some bitter liquid to it, you get poison. So the color is changing now. And I'm not talking to saffron. Don't take it that way. But the color of bureaucracy you will find slowly changing. Like
I'm glad
when you precipitate. No, I have nothing against saffron. I'm proud to be a saffron. But I'm not mentioning it from that point of view.
I got that, sir.
What I'm trying to say, that it had a wrong color, wrong odor. You can't change it overnight. It's changing slowly and changing for good.
Already 95% of problem have been already solved. The projects are moving fast. When we taken in charge as a minister, it was 2 kilometers per day. Today it is 18 kilometers per day, and March of end, it will be 30 kilometers per day. And already I have signed the contract of 1,35,000 crores.
It's 27 million people travel every day. So every person has some grievance against the system. Either there was too much of salt in the food or there was no salt in the food. There was too much tea was very hot or it was very cold. So obviously these are all the challenges which I can complain only to my wife, but here I have become the wife of everybody can come and tell me. So I think we really need to find out the solution to all these problems. At the same time, try to run the railways, try to modernize it, try to have the human relations with 13 lakh employees of the railways, which are very strong unions. We have to also interact with the outside world because we need the investment to come from different places. We are trying to reorganize the system within all the limitations. And therefore, all of this is happening. And for that, what we really need is a patience as well as a participation. Both P's are important. And therefore, if both the P's are there, then we'll be able to definitely make it happen. And I know we need more Shirin Bans in the system where we can actually take it forward.